Hi everyone, my name is Tricia Lynn, and I'll be showing you a fingerstyle pattern to the song Jambalaya by Hank Williams. This is for the ukelikethepros fingerstyle challenge. Check it out at ukelikethepros.com/challenge. I named this fingerstyle pattern the Travis, after Merle Travis, who is known for his alternating thumb fingerstyle techniques. So his thumb would bounce between the top two strings. For this pattern, we're going to be using our thumb, pointer finger or index finger, and our ring finger. When we're thinking about this pattern, I want you to think of the outer strings and the inner strings in terms of the outer strings and the inner strings, meaning I want your thumb and your middle finger to be in charge of the outer strings, then your thumb and your index to be in charge of the inner strings. Okay. Outer strings are the G and the A, and the inner strings are the C and the E. So the pattern goes like this. You're going to pinch the outer strings, then pinch the inner strings. Then you're going to play the outer strings with single notes with the G or with the thumb first. So thumb, middle, and then inner strings, single notes, thumb, pointer. I'll do it again. So pinch inner, pinch out, pinch in, single notes out, single notes in. Again, out, pinch in, single notes out, single notes in. Let's try this without any chords yet. So out, in, single out, single in, out, in, single out, single in. Make sure your forearm has contact with the ukulele. You're plucking over the sound hole. The big knuckle of your thumb is doing the plucking, not the small knuckle. Okay. Your pinky can either be hovering next to the ring, or it can be anchored to the body of the ukulele. Let's try this with a G chord. 1, 2. Out, in, out, in, out, in, single out, single in, out, in, single out, single in. Last time, in, single out, single in. So the song Jambalaya by Hank Williams has only 2 chords, G and D7. So we'll go over verse 1, which is going to be with the G and the D7. And it's the same as the chorus and verse 2 as well. So let's try verse 1 a little slow. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 1. Goodbye, Joe. Me gotta go, oh me, oh my, oh. Me gotta go, parole the road down the bayou. My Yvonne, sweetest one, oh me, oh my. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Let's try the chorus. G and D7. 1, 2. Jambalaya and a crawfish pie and a filet gumbo. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna see my Cherimio. Pick guitar, fill fruit jar, and be gay. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. The instrumental is just going to be using verse 1's chord, verse 1 chords, and verse 2 is just like verse 1. So let's try the Travis fingerpicking pattern with Jambalaya. Goodbye, Joe, we gotta go, oh me, oh my, oh. Gotta go, parole the road down the bayou. My Yvonne, sweetest one, oh me, oh my, oh. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Jambalaya and a crawfish pie and a violet gumbo. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna see my share of me, oh. Big guitar, fill fruit bar, and be gay, oh. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Thumbadoo's Fontainebleau, the place is buzzing. Kinfolk come to see Yvonne by the dozen. Dress in style, go hog wild, me oh my oh. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Jambalaya and a crawfish pie and filet gumbo. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna see my share of me oh. Big guitar, fill fruit jar, and be gay oh. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. This song is part of the ukelikethepros Fingerstyle Pattern Challenge. So check it out at ukelikethepros.com/challenge for this free competition. Thanks for listening.